Use a vacuum-equipped dual head sander and a sealed dust control approach to keep drywall dust out of your bathroom. For a bathroom remodel, focus on tools that combine aggressive material removal with integrated dust collection. A dual head sander designed for drywall lets you cover flat walls and corners more quickly while reducing the airborne dust when paired with a high-flow vacuum hose and a proper dust shroud. Choose sanding discs rated for drywall and inspect the pad for wear often, because worn pads reduce suction and increase dust escape. For edges, trim, and inside corners, use hand sanding blocks wrapped with fine grit or a sanding sponge to maintain control and avoid over-sanding, and apply light, consistent pressure to keep the paper from tearing. Consider a variable speed sander so you can slow rotation near delicate trim and speed up on large flat areas, and always connect the sander directly to a shop vacuum with a high-efficiency particulate filter to capture the majority of respirable particles. Finally, use a damp microfiber sponge for final feathering of joint compound. It smooths tiny ridges with almost no dust, but use only a lightly dampened sponge to avoid softening the compound excessively. Common mistakes include relying on bare power sanding without direct vacuum capture, which sends fine dust into vents and onto surfaces. So always use a dedicated vacuum hose and check for a tight seal between tool and hose. Another issue is overwatering a sponge, which creates mud and ruins finish, so wring the sponge until it is barely damp and wipe in gentle strokes. A third mistake is skipping personal protection for short jobs because dust seems minimal, but even small jobs produce respirable particles, so use a fitted N95 equivalent respirator, eye protection, and create containment with plastic sheeting and a door gasket to keep dust out of the rest of the home. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets contractors find new work by listing projects and availability. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask specific questions about tools like the Wynn dual head sander, and share real-world experiences.